Click Power. No response. Use non-woven fabric as a protective layer between the screen and keyboard when disassembling. Unscrew the back cover screws. Open the rear cover. Disconnect the battery interface. Disconnect the loudspeaker interface at both ends. Pry up the loudspeaker adhesive tape at both ends. Remove the loudspeaker. Remove the battery screws at both ends. Pry up the battery adhesive tape. Slowly pull out the battery tape. Remove the screws. Adjust the touchpad. Slowly pull the battery through the FPC along the bottom. Attach new adhesive tape to the computer. Peel off the red protective film. Slowly pull the new battery through the FPC along the bottom. Adjust the touchpad. Fix the screws at both ends of the battery. Tighten the screws. Attach the new adhesive tape on the loudspeaker and remove the protective layer. Install the loudspeaker and press it properly. Connect the speaker power cable properly. Connect the power cord properly. Install the laptop back cover. Tighten the rear cover screws. Power on successfully. Replacement completed.